Alright guys, first train for 2024, a Norfolk Southern northbound. Let's be quiet, no yelling please. First day of first train of 2024 guys. There it is, the grain train. Guys, I missed DSX away today because it came out 11:30 and my mom was getting some gas. I didn't know DSX away now runs early now. I wasn't expecting DSX away to run early today. Alright guys, didn't hear the symbol very well for the Norfolk Southern northbound grain train on my scanner. I think I heard a 51R, but I'm not sure because I didn't hear that very well, and plus I don't want to get the symbol wrong. Okay guys, so if you know the Norfolk Southern train symbol and the Norfolk Southern train destination for the Norfolk Southern northbound grain train in this train video, please comment on all that in the comment section in this train video, okay? Bye, and that's all for now.